Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS05. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS05 is making odd noises, it can be quite concerning. This usually happens due to a blockage in the airflow or a malfunctioning motor. If left unchecked, these noises can lead to more significant damage, resulting in costly repairs or even the need for a replacement. So, it's best to address this issue promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and some compressed air to clean out any dust and debris. Let's begin by safely opening your Dyson HS05. First, ensure it is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using your flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Now that we have access to the internal components, we need to locate the motor. It is generally found towards the bottom of the device. Listen carefully. If the noise is coming from this area, it is likely that the motor bearings are worn out or debris is obstructing it. To extract the motor, carefully disconnect any cables attached to it, noting where they connect for reassembly later. When removing the motor, be cautious of any surrounding components. You might need to apply a little force, but do so gently to avoid damaging anything nearby. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the motor is out, inspect it for any visible signs of damage or blockage. If it's dirty, use compressed air to clean it thoroughly before replacing it. When you have the new or cleaned motor ready, reconnect the cables as you noted earlier. Ensure everything is securely in place before closing the device. Now, carefully align the casing back onto the Dyson HS05 and replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly. Finally, plug the device back in and turn it on to ensure it's operating smoothly without any strange noises. To prevent this issue from recurring in the future, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the airflow. Additionally, avoid using your Dyson on very dusty surfaces as this can lead to buildup inside the machine. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.